Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to explore an AI powered platform called Bolt. Bolt that's going to help you in building apps and websites. Just describe what you want. With Bolt, you can go from just an idea to a working prototype. In just minutes, you can add features like authentication, chat, and even payments. Let's dive in and see how Board can bring our projects to life. To sign in, click the Get Started button. From the pop up, choose Sign in with Google. You'll be redirected to standard Google sign in page. Select your account and click Continue to confirm. After authenticating, you will be returned to the home page. Now logged in. Now that we are in, let's take a quick look around. The navigation bar at the top features links for community, enterprise, resources, and pricing. The community link directs to their Discord server, which is a great place to connect with other builders. Back on the home page, let's explore the resources menu. Here, you will find Docs and Help Center, the blog, and the Bolt Gallery, along with their social media channels. These are great places for help and inspiration, and you can find these same links in the page footer. Now, for the exciting part, telling the AI what we want to build. Let's type a detailed prompt directly into the main text box. We are asking it to build the money map, a responsive and accessible personal finance website. The prompt specifies pages for home, security, and pricing, plus a static dashboard demo with budgets, goals, and charts. In addition to these features, we've also defined the technical stack: semantic HTML, minimum JavaScript, an Indigo and Emerald palette, and even a performance budget of under 180 KB. By providing this level of detail, we are guiding the AI to create a result that's not just functional but also well designed, accessible, and optimized right out of the gate. With the prompt ready, let's send it off by clicking the arrow button. Okay, the AI has started and our interface has updated. On the left, we have our prompt for reference, and on the right is the space where our live preview will appear. Right now, the system is processing our request and generating a step by step plan. And just like that, the plan is ready. The AI confirms its building money map and outlines the core features it will create, including the multi page structure, the interactive dashboard, and full accessibility compliance. It has also logged into the specific design elements we've requested, like the color palette and the font. Now, the AI is executing its plan. Starting with the project foundation, it creates the initial files, installs the necessary dependencies, and adds React Router DOM to handle navigation between pages. Next, it scaffolds the core application structure. It generates the index.html, the manifest.json for PWA capabilities, and primary React components like the app shell, header, and footer. With the foundation in place, it begins building up the individual pages we've asked for: home, security, pricing, and the dashboard. Finally, it configures the styling with the Tailwind config file and adds a custom favicon to complete the initial setup. And we are at the final command: starting the application. Watch as the checkmarks fly by. The AI is executing the entire plan at an incredible speed. As the last step completes, the preview window boosts up and we have a live version of our money map site. First impressions are fantastic. The layout is clean, the headline is powerful, and the color palette is spot on. The embedded preview is great, but let's open it up in its own tab. I'll just click the open preview icon right here. Our project opens in the new tab. We'll click Connect to Project to link it, and our live website appears. The site looks great, and more importantly, it's fully interactive. The navigation the AI created for the dashboard, security, and pricing pages works perfectly. One of the most critical parts of development is ensuring responsiveness, and we can verify that instantly. Back in the editor, we can enter responsive mode. The preview immediately reflows into a mobile layout for an iPhone 16, and we can test other devices like Pixel 9. The built in testing is a massive time saver. So let's recap. We started with a single text prompt and generated a complete responsive website in minutes. The potential for tools like this to accelerate the development workflow is truly remarkable. Thanks for watching.